Hey there, today we're doing an honest review on Pestie, a pro-grade pest control for a fraction of the price. Now, I have my wife with me. Come on.
Hello, I'm wife.
Alright, Christy is going to be using Pestie for the first time ever. She's never used it, I always do it. And so...
That's right, my first time ever taking ownership of pest control for our family.
I'm making her do this. Pestie has a subscription for your pest control. So these come 4 times a year or once every quarter, and they give you this once. So this is reusable, and this is the new package for Christy. And she's going to figure out how to use it. And I guess I'll help her with this if need be.
Okay.
Before we get started, one of their
selling points
is that you can do this in under 10 minutes. And we have little light left here, so we're gonna see if it can be done in 10 minutes. And then she's going to give a review on what she thinks about it. So and the mosquitoes are getting us.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna start the timer, 10 minutes.
All right, I got my box.
You don't even have to talk through it.
Okay.
I can maybe talk through it.
All right, this.
So it's got a bag. We can go in the, you can go over here.
Put on the provided gloves. It's like a doctor show. All right, fill the indicated application bag with water. Over here. Whoa. Oh gosh.
How do you know where to fill it?
There's a line. It says fill to here. Filled. Water is filled. Next, carefully pour the pesticide concentrate into the bag. Check. Next up, so insert tube and sprayer assembly into the bag. Check.
Time check here. It's already gone by for 5 minutes. 5 minutes left.
Before spraying, shake the bag well to mix formula.
It's a good shake.
Good shake technique. Okay, looks good. Now I spray. I have a direction sprayer about 2 feet away. Lightly spray the foundation of your home in a 4-foot band, 2 feet up the side of your home and 2 feet away from the ground. Is it coming out? No. Check the tubing. Nothing.
It will come out. It just needs some love. Just keep doing it.
Oh, there we go. I think so. Yeah.
Look, it's sprayed on the siding and you can see.
Yeah, I saw. Oh, yeah.
While Christy is doing that, I'm gonna sit here and tell you how amazing Pestie is. Now, I've used Pestie for about a year now, I think. We originally had cockroach issues, ants issues, and I put out a couple other videos going over some of these details, which you can watch after this video. But in the short, Pestie helps a ton. Pestie is a pro-level pest control product. It's a fraction of the price, not because of the product, but because there's no one coming out here to service you. So you DIY it and you get the same great results for a 1/4 of the price, which is amazing. Some fast facts for you. Pestie is safe around kids and dogs, cats. You want to keep your pet insects away, which we've gotten some comments on past videos. It's not safe for them. The treatment is specific to your region. So I live in Texas. I get this sort of treatment. If you live somewhere else, you might get something different. It's specific to your climate. You don't have to deal with salesmen, which is awesome. You just get it delivered in your mail, open it up, use it. Pestie's product actually lasts longer than most off-the-shelf products or even people coming out to spray because their product is encapsulated, which means that the product is protected against UV rays and will last up to 90 days, while unencapsulated products will last up to 2 weeks. We've had a really great experience with Pestie. Such a good experience that I've done a couple videos on them to show you how much I love them. But this video is sponsored by Pestie. It's a great product. I'm happy to partner with them and go buy some. There's a link in the description. Click on it, buy it, voila. So the last question we have to answer here is Christy gonna finish in the 10-minute time frame that Pestie says? Let's go back to the outside. All right, Christy's back. How far did you make it?
Basically all of it, but it was dark and...
Okay, there's 9 minutes plus another 10, 19 minutes. But 5 or 6 was setting up, so
Yeah.
that's pretty good.
Yeah,
13
for sure.
minutes of spraying. Any thoughts on the whole process?
I feel like it's very easy. Yeah, I feel like it's way easier than like trying to navigate like having somebody come out and do it themselves. Like I feel like it's very easy to do.
Would you recommend every wife to spray Pestie for their house?
Yeah. I still have a lot of liquid in here though.
Yeah.
So a lot. It goes a long way.
Yeah, so if you have a big house, then it has plenty of stuff for it.
Yeah, but I definitely recommend it. And
cool.
Should I squirt the bugs? I'm just kidding. Pestie for the win!
So while Christy did not finish her spraying in 10 minutes, it's just a few minutes difference from never seeing the product to using it. And so that is a huge plus in Pestie. And my wife definitely recommends it because she hates cockroaches. And yeah, I do not like them either. And this will keep your wife happy, and happy wife, happy life, or something like that. So make sure you visit pestie.com, link in the description. And yeah, I appreciate you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you later, and I'll see you out there. Bye-bye.